I'm Kelly Price, and today I'm going to be talking about ketones. A ketone is any of a class of organic compounds characterized by a carbonyl group attached to two carbon atoms. Here is the history of a ketone, called acetone, first discovered by British citizen James Wiseman. Wiseman wanted to create the method of bacterial fermentation. This process would end up becoming known as the Wiseman process. Acetone was incredibly valuable because of its explosiveness. Acetone was used in World War I. This is the process of acetone. Acetone has one oxygen double bonded to a carbon, which is single bonded to two other carbons, which have three hydrogen bonded to it. These are some properties of ketones. Some physical properties are that ketones are polar, they are soluble in water, they are acidic, they are usually liquid or solid at room temperature, and they have high boiling points. Some chemical properties are they are less reactive than aldehydes, resistant to oxidation, they participate in ketoenoltonterism, they are hydrogen bond acceptors, and they react well with nucleophile. Here are the nomenclature rules of ketones. You have to first identify the longest carbon chain that contains the carbonyl group. Then you've replaced the E ending of the parent structure with O-N-E. If the carbonyl group could occur at more than one place on the chain, then its position is designated by the lowest possible number. The example shown is acetone. 5 examples of ketones are acetone, ethyl methyl ketone, the diethyl ketone, benzyl methyl ketone, and methyl isopropyl ketone. Here are some uses of ketones. Ketones are used in making flavors, dyes, chloroform, and plastics, in making perfumes, solvents, insecticides, and manufacturing of lacquer. Here is an MSDS of acetone, which is a ketone. This is a diagram of acetone. As you can see, it has an oxygen double bonded to a carbon, which are single bonded to two other carbons and three hydrogens. This is my own model of acetone, using styrofoam balls. Here are 5 reasons why so many carbons are named and discovered each year. Here are just a few. Carbon is able to form many allotropes because of its valence. Carbon is found everywhere and is discovered bonding with different molecules to make new carbon bonds. On the next few slides will be definitions of different functional groups as well as some example diagrams. Alcohol is an organic compound having an hydroxy group. The general structure is ROH. Alkoholides are a halocarbon in which one or more halogen atoms are attached to the carbon atom of an aliphatic chain. An ether is an organic compound in which oxygen is bonded to two carbon groups. Aldehyde is an organic compound in which the carbon of carbonyl group is joined to at least one hydrogen. Carboxylic acids are an organic acid containing a carboxyl group. Esters are a derivative of carboxylic acid in which the hydroxide of the carbonyl group has been replaced by the OR from the alcohol. Amines are an organic compound in which nitrogen is bound to a carbonyl group. Amides are an organic compound containing the group CONH related to ammonia by replacing a hydrogen atom by an alkyl group. Polymers are a very large molecule formed by the covalent bonding of repeating small molecules known as monomers. Thanks for watching.